Welcome to BVC Universe. If you're using BVC Universe for the first time, don't worry. Creating a shipment is super easy. Let me walk you through it step by step. Start by creating your shipment. Click the New Shipment button at the bottom of your dashboard. On the pop-up, select Form to proceed. A form will open where you can enter your shipment details. Once that's done, move to the next section in the form to add the shipper and pickup details. Under Origin Account, choose Create New Account from the drop-down. Fill in the required information and click Create Shipping Account. Next, add a shipping address by clicking Create New Address. Enter the address details and don't forget to add a contact person who will handle shipments from this location. If you want to set this as your default contact, simply check the box. Once everything is filled in, click Create Shipping Address. Now, here's the exciting part. You can book a pickup right here while creating your shipment. Simply select Create New Pickup and then choose the pickup date and time, and we'll handle the rest. This is a brand new feature designed to save you time and make the process super easy for you. Next, for the consignee details, you can either create a new account or select an existing one for autofill. To add a consignee address, select Create New Address and enter the details. Add a contact person for this location and set it as the default by clicking the checkbox. Now, click Create Shipping Address. Move forward to the invoice section on the form. Fill in the details. To add multiple invoices, click Add Invoice again. If you need to remove an invoice, simply click the Delete Record icon. After updating, cross-check the form. If sections on the left are green, it indicates the information is complete, while gray indicates missing details. Fill in any gray sections before clicking Create Shipment. And that's it. Your shipment is successfully created. Thank you for using BVC Universe. We're here to make shipping easy and convenient for you.